Are you ready, Dan?
Like,
Alright. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting package for you here today from TNNT. What does he go by? Restoration. I'll put it up on the screen so you'll see it. But sent me out a custom Grizzly exhaust tip. So today we're going to install it, and if you guys want one of these, they'll be linked down in the description. I guarantee you these are going to be awesome. So we're going to get this mounted up on the Grizzly and see exactly what we think. So let's go ahead and open it. We got to take it over to the investigation table on the clapped out on the Rubicon, of course, because it's just what we got to do. It's been great in the yard, running the drag. I got seed planted here, there. I'm sure nobody cares, but we use the Rubicon for the hard work. The Grizzly just sits here and does nothing, absolutely nothing. So anyways, I'll make sure to do a accurate before and after. I'll put a bunch of clips in of the before. And then you're obviously about to see the after. So what's in the box? Looks like...
I haven't, look, I have trouble even mentioning, even saying to myself, my own head, the number of years. I no more think of myself as being as old as I am than fly.
The exhaust tip itself, and that is very beautiful. Obviously, that's going to make an upgrade to that ugliness. Oh, baby. We even got a spark arrestor. And another sticker to add to our... Like, see, yeah, that's them right there. TNNT Restoration, machining, vapor blasting, fabrication. He sells all kinds of stuff, so definitely check his website out and get yourself one of these bad boys. It's actually not that expensive at all, and definitely well worth it. Well, as we're about to find out. Got it right there next to AD clutching, which is where I got this beautiful Grizzly custom shifter. And then, of course, well, there goes our box. Of course, we'll stick this in the shed. Looks good on the wall, so let's get this thing off. I believe it's going to be 8mm. Don't judge my ferocious monstrosity mess, but right here's a 5/16, which is close enough for what we're after. One quick live action start up from this position. I'm not going to let it run too long. I don't want to get hot. Sounds like garbage. Complete garbage. I don't accept that. Gotta get our exercise in, go get our handy dandy antique tripod. We're gonna do this live action, and then I'm gonna give you my live reaction. Well, look at exhaust, thing's off loose. I guess that's normal. I hope, geez. I don't know if that is or not. If anybody knows, just let me know, but I don't know. We'll break all these loose, pretty simple. And my reaction is going to be pretty honest because I don't like loud exhaust. And he does offer multiple different options. And I went with the one that looks and probably sounds the best. You know, he offers a 90-degree, a 2-inch, all kinds of different stuff. But as long as it's not extremely loud, then I'll be perfectly happy with it. And we'll see exactly what I think. Every time you modify the exhaust on something, it's always super exciting. Well, that pulls out the whole ugly shebang. Okay, that looks nice. Now, obviously, I'm not going to go this far, not to crank it up with nothing, just for the sweet victory sound. Love the way it sounds, don't we? I guess this right here it's all part of the factory, so we'll leave it off. Time for the live action startup, and my honest man, that definitely looks a lot better too. Oh, what do I expect out of this? I don't know. I hope it ain't too loud. same startup. Sounds good. It's definitely not too loud, I don't think. Sounds a lot deeper. Okay, well, let's give it a rip. First person rip. See what I think. Honest reactions here. Definitely louder, but it's not like unbearable where it hurts your ears. Trying to keep it a quiet hunting rig or a neighborhood cruiser. I don't recommend doing anything obviously besides leaving it stock, but love that low end pop. I forgot to do it. I meant to do a 0 to 45 on the stock tip to see if you lose any power or gain. I mean, you shouldn't gain any, but you shouldn't lose any, I hope. just don't do it if you think that you want it to stay quiet and, oh, I just want it to sound better. I mean, sounding better obviously requires a little bit of noise. I'll tell you one thing it does sound better than. Ugly ass. Love the smell of oil. Good old Honda, you just can't beat it. Anyways, yeah, you guys, if you want one of these, go get it. The link will be either in the description or pinned down in the top of the comments. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll be sure to see you in the next one.